The 2026 Chevrolet Traverse represents a compelling option within the midsize three-row SUV segment, prioritizing spaciousness and practicality. Designed to accommodate up to 8 passengers comfortably, the vehicle offers an expansive cabin with a thoughtfully arranged interior layout. Notably, the third-row seating remains one of the more accommodating in its class, allowing for adult passengers without significant compromise in comfort. Additionally, its cargo capacity is commendable, with 22.9 cubic feet available behind the third row and a maximum of nearly 100 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. These features make the Traverse a viable alternative to minivans for families seeking both passenger space and cargo flexibility. From a performance standpoint, the 2026 Traverse is equipped with a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, generating 328 horsepower and 326 lb-ft of torque. This marks a shift from the V6 engine of previous iterations, prioritizing efficiency while maintaining competitive power output. While acceleration is adequate for most driving scenarios, some reports suggest that engine refinement under heavy acceleration may not meet the expectations of those seeking a more sophisticated powertrain experience. Handling dynamics remain predictable and stable, though the Traverse does not necessarily stand out in terms of driving engagement when compared to sportier rivals in the segment. Technological advancements in the 2026 Traverse contribute to its appeal, with a user-friendly infotainment system and the availability of Chevrolet's Super Cruise hands-free driving system on select trims. These features enhance convenience and safety, particularly for long-distance travel. However, one area of critique remains the material quality within the interior, as lower trims exhibit an abundance of hard plastics that may detract from an otherwise modern cabin design.